Fit the sill end caps to the sill with superglue. The sill can either be straight cut to the width of the window frame, or in some cases, like this installation, rebated to form a horn around the external brick as more of a feature. Run a bead of silicone along the edge and sill-up stand before fixing it to the window. This is to prevent the possibility of water blowing through the joint and moisture from tracking along the sill and into the brickwork. Remove the corner protectors and protection tape. Secure the sill to the bottom of the window frame using appropriate PVC screws. Where required, attach any frame extenders. Run another bead of silicone at both ends of the head and sill to make sure it is watertight. Carefully place the new frame into the opening, making sure it's central. Use packers all around the frame, checking it's level, square and plumb, and the 10mm expansion gap is maintained. Double check the frame is plumb and level before drilling fixing holes in the sides of the frame. Fixings should be 150mm from the top and bottom corners, and at approximately 600mm centres in between. Pre-drill the frames at the required spacing before fixing them in place with suitable fixings, taking care not to over-tighten them. Ensure the packers are used adjacent to each fixing. It's important that these packers cover the full width of the frame to prevent distortion when tightening the fixings. Additional fixings will be required to the top and bottom of the frames that are over 600mm in width. Apply silicone to the pre-drilled holes that are through the bottom of the frame before inserting the screw. This prevents water entering the frame. Once you've inserted the fixing screw, seal with more silicone to create the watertight seal.